Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tionia in the house. So guys, you must have said, well, a long time you know make one green blended seasoning, alright? Sometimes I will change up my recipe a little bit, just tweak it a little bit, you know, change it up a little bit. But anyhow, we're gonna make a quick and easy Jamaican green blended seasoning, all-purpose seasoning for you. All right, because I'm gonna do some fish head now and we want some other seasoning upon it. All right. I have about 2.5 dozens of garlic or cloves of garlic. You can use 24, it's up to you. I have some scallion, 2 ties. It should be 3, but you know scallions are expensive now. We're gonna work with 2. I have some parsley and I have some cilantro right there, and I have 2 pieces of ginger. I have 2 big Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna do seeds and all, okay? And I have 4 huge onion. If you have onions and they're not so big, use 6. All right. I have some dry thyme. We're gonna work with that. We're gonna work with some ground allspice because I found the last time I found it easier to blend. So you can use this one, like the real pimento seed or green or whatever you want to call it, but I'm just gonna use the ground one. Okay, same thing. I'm gonna use a little bit of apple cider vinegar and extra virgin olive oil to blend, and I have this time I'm gonna add a little bit of cloves to it, so sometimes you can tweak it to your liking. All right, so let's go. And today guys, we're gonna use the handy dandy food processor. Okay, so and my food processor is over there. I'm just gonna cut a little bit for you, okay? Just cut them in big pieces. You don't have to cut them like too small. Let's do 2 first. I'm gonna blend like 2 batch. Oh wait guys, I have to put this piece in first. Wait guys, wait. 1 second. If you don't put that bottom part in, now I'm gonna blend, and it needs to set right down in it. You know what I mean? So you gotta set this part in it first. There you go. I don't know what was I thinking. So you can pour everything back. So 2 in it. And we're gonna put just the pepper as is. I'm just gonna take off the top part and just put the whole pepper in it, seeds and all. Okay, with the garlic I'm gonna put half the amount for now. All right, and I'm gonna slice a piece of ginger really thin. Okay, why you want to slice it really thin? You see all this? If you not cut it thin, you're gonna have a lot of strings in it. Okay, so really thin slices with a sharp knife. Okay, and watch your finger. Okay, and I'm just gonna put all of that in it. Scallion, just chunk them up. Okay, and then we're gonna add the scallion. We're gonna grab a little bit of the cilantro, the parsley, this one, like the half the amount, and a little bit of the cilantro as well. I cut off some of the head part already, and then we're just gonna cut them up. And if it's too much, you can just put some for now and put these there. When you close it and it blend down a little bit, then you can add the rest. Okay, on top of this now, you don't want to overdo it. We have some ground allspice. I'm gonna put like one teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon. My dry thyme, I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon. And this is my clove. I'm gonna put not much of clove, about 1/2 teaspoon, and 1/2 teaspoon for the next one. You can put 1 teaspoon, but I don't want it to be overbearing. All right. Apple cider vinegar, I got this from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons to give it this one will help it to preserve it, you know, marinate and all that. And then now we're gonna use some olive oil to add moisture and make it blend well. Okay, we're gonna add just 2 tablespoons or 1/4 cup, it's up to you, and just puree it. Okay, and then you add the rest. Oh, you're not close. Take a look at it, and what you can do, you can just scrape down the side and give it a little. I don't want mine to blend like too fine. Let me see how it's looking. This is right. That's just right, guys. And that's it. See how it's looking, guys? And you just scoop it out there, or you can put it directly to the jar. It's up to you. If you want it more spicy, you can add another pepper, but this one should be really spicy, guys. This one is no mild because it's 2 huge pepper, so this one is going to be spicy. But if you want it mild, just use 2 smaller pepper or 1. Alright guys, let me blend up the rest and then I'm going to come back. The last amount. Ooh, and I didn't blend. Can you see that goodness? Alright, and then all you have to do, just pour it down in with this one. This is how I like it. That's how I like it. Okay. And then leave it. Just scoop it in, guys. You can see the real pepper seed in there. I got some jars. You want to wash them in some hot water and go ahead and spoon it in or throw it in. Anyhow you can do it. See the pepper pieces, guys? And I don't put too much vinegar and I don't put too much olive oil. That's about right. Finally, that air fryer stops. Rest my ears. All right, my peeps, and this is it. Wow, look at that goodness. There you have it. there are 2 big jars. You can use smaller ones. All right, and you know the thing already. Good for soup, rice and peas, your beef, your pork, your poultry, vegetable, eggs, whatever you want, fish. Yeah, as you know, in the next video gonna be some fish head. Yeah, anyhow you want it. This one is spicy. 2 huge catch pan pepper. You can see the pepper pieces there. You can use 2 smaller pepper or 1, depending on the amount you're making. All right, and this is it. This is my Jamaican all-purpose green blended season. You don't have to put the parsley and the cilantro. I just add that to give me extra oomph, extra flavor. All right, use whatever you have at home. Okay, and you know your good old ginger. Don't have to put them in the fridge. The vinegar, and if you don't have vinegar, you can use some lemon juice. And the olive oil and all of that is gonna and all the seasoning, it's gonna preserve it. Okay, and the pimento, allspice, they all gonna preserve it. So you can just parcel this up and ship them out if you're selling them or sending them somewhere. All right, or you can keep it in the fridge after you open it. Once it's cool, and once you're done with it and you seal it, once you're gonna reopen, you can put it in the fridge. It's up to you. All right, or you can keep it out. It's up to you. It won't spoil that easily. Longer the better. More marinade, better goodness. Yummy, yummy results. All right, bye guys. Bye guys. Oh, and this is good for stew too. Whatever stew of your choice, brown stew, curry, whatever. Oh, and this is also good for frying. If you're making like fritters, Jamaican people say fritters. If you're making fritters and you want to put some saltfish on, 1 little teaspoon of this, you don't want too much, or a tablespoon, you don't want it too spicy. You put it and mix up and make your fritters, rundown, whatever, you name it. All right guys, you have a good day. Bye guys.